Hello viewers, and for you today I have another coin from my collection. This is a United States quarter from 1856. It has a mint mark of O for New Orleans. And this is a seated Liberty quarter. They were made from 1838 to 1891. They are approximately 6.22 grams in weight and have a diameter of 24.3 millimeters. And this is the reverse that we have here. It depicts an eagle with arrows and an olive branch and talons, with the United States of America, QUAR for quarter, and DOL for dollar. The edge is, of course, reeded. And I'll show you the obverse. And the obverse has a seated Liberty looking right above her shoulder, with a cap on a stick and a shield, and 13 stars around the edge. These coins were made of 90% silver and 10% copper. This particular one is graded at very good, and so at very good it is worth approximately $80. These quarters were 24.3 millimeters in diameter. So they are just a hair larger than the current U.S. quarter. Because the current U.S. quarter is 24.26 millimeters, and this is 24.3. These coins weighed approximately 6.22 grams, so let's see what this one weighs. And we have it at 5.9, so very close to what it should be. So there you have it. The United States 1856 O quarter. Really a very nice coin. Worth about $80. I did not pay that for it. It came in a set of other coins I got from eBay. But still a very nice coin. And 90% silver. So viewers, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Help me to grow this channel. And thank you for watching.